Okay guys, I'm officially a cheater. I have been cheating on Starbucks with Dunkin Donuts for the past few weeks. And I have to confess, I'm not ashamed either, because the Dunkin Donuts Iced Coffee is freaking delicious. Like, so good. I have not had Starbucks in a very long time because I'm just obsessed with this. You could see. This is a medium, and it is literally like less than $3. Whereas you know that, hang on, I have to turn. I don't want you guys to go flying. Whereas you know, a tall of Starbucks, like the smallest drink, a tall, which is like this big, can sometimes be like $4, depending on what you get, whether you get a latte or a, you know, iced coffee. And I am very picky with my coffee. I am. I do not like strong coffee, which I know, you know, that's funny because a lot of people do, and a lot of people drink, you know, really, you know, dark roast. I don't. Like, if anything, at Starbucks, if I were to get like a hot cup of coffee, I like the blonde roast. I remember when I was in Vegas, the hotel we were at had like a little Starbucks kiosk in it, and I went down there in the morning just to get a cup of coffee, and they only had like the medium or the dark. It was like really strong, so I had to put so much cream in it, and like, you know, half and half or whatever, just to like, you know, not dilute it, but like to like make it drinkable for me. Like, I don't like strong coffee. I like a very light roast, you know, more like a breakfast blend. You know, that's why I like the Green Mountain, like in my Keurig, the breakfast one, because it's just very mild. And I love my coffee, but I don't like it really strong. So I decided, no, don't get me wrong, I love Starbucks. Like, seriously, the teas are great. I've been enjoying the, you know, the medicine ball tea. Well, I have a hack for that. Instead of getting like the 2 tea bags that it comes with, I've been getting just like Mint Majesty, which is just like a peppermint. Anyway, that's beside the point. But for like iced drinks and whatnot, I've really been enjoying Dunkin, because they have just been it's very tasty, the coffee. And I never really got, like, I've never had hot coffee from them or whatever. I've gotten their lattes before, and they're really good. And then one day I was like, you know what? It's been super hot here, and, you know, you just kind of want something different. And I'm fortunate, I guess, enough, or maybe not, that I have a Starbucks on one side of where I live, and then across the street there's a Dunkin. Not a huge fan of the Dunkin Donuts that's near my house. There's a million other ones that I've gone to, and I got an iced coffee. I said, you know what? Let's try it, and I'm freaking hooked. I'm hooked. I don't know what Starbucks is gonna do. They're gonna lose a customer. I mean, I'll never stop going to Starbucks or whatever. I have so many freaking free rewards that I have to use, but I don't know, guys. Right now, I am actually driving to get my eyebrows done. So I'm going to Ulta, and that's dangerous because I'm in the mood to like look at makeup and look at stuff, and so I don't know. Anytime I'm in that mood though, I never find anything, so we'll see. So it's been abnormally warm here in Florida for February, and abnormally cold for the winter. So we went from like 40 degrees or 20 degrees at night, and like 40 degrees, to almost 90. Like in the same week almost. So it's crazy. Allergies are horrible. The pollen is unbearable. My poor dog is suffering so bad from allergies. His paws are so red and so inflamed, and he's miserable. And there's really, you know, nothing I can do, because he has to go outside to go to the bathroom. And when he comes in, his paws are so raw that when I try to wipe them, he doesn't want me to touch them, and I don't want to upset him. So it's a bad situation, and I feel bad for him. And he's on allergy medicine. He takes Apoquil. I've been upping it to twice a day. That seems to be helping. He does get a Cytopoint shot monthly. He had that. the one that did it screwed it up and injected it wrong. So it was basically ineffective because she injected it too low, and whatever, that's beside the point. So it's been a rough couple of weeks, I guess. So I just figured I would just vlog. Sometimes it's easier to just turn my phone on and vlog when I'm like out and about, just so I can like talk to you guys, because you know, when you sit down and film like certain videos, it's hard to like catch up on things and just talk about random things, because, well, you know, that's not the purpose of what that video is. Otherwise it would be like 4 hours long, and I don't really want that. So for me, I've just been vlogging a little bit more, and I think you guys seem to enjoy it. I went to Target yesterday, and I literally went in for one thing. I came out with like 5 bags. That meme that goes around, I think it's something along the lines of, you don't tell Target what you need, Target tells you. That was it. I mean, I came out with placemats, appetizer dishes, like these little square dishes that are like the cutest thing, a freaking pet, you know, mat for Spike, like for his bowls, that doesn't even match my kitchen, but it was so pretty I had to get it. I got a body scrub, I got a, I think a liquid lip from NYX, like random, a cute like cold shoulder cutout sweatshirt. That's actually really cute. I want to show you guys that. And just the most random stuff, like a basket thing to, that's what I went in there for, a basket thing to organize on my nightstand, like different stuff. And then everything else, I'm like, what am I buying? I'm buying so much stuff. Oh, Target is just, but you know what? That's one thing I love about Target, because like literally you can get anything and everything. And I have to tell you, their clothes, like I know they changed like the lines that they carry, and they brought in some really nice lines, and I've gotten a couple pieces that are really inexpensive, and you would think that you spend so much money on them, but you didn't. I was wearing a like really cute like camo tee. I got so many compliments on it from you guys, and I was like, it's from Target, like this is the brand. I made sure I looked at the oh god, traffic. These people are stopping short, and it's freaking driving me nuts. Okay, the light is green, guys. I'm an aggressive driver, I know. But so I had to double check the brand because I wasn't 100% familiar with it, but it's like really nice, and it was really nice quality, and it's washed and dried beautifully, and some of their stuff is just really good. You know, I'm not, when it comes to like clothes and stuff, I'm not like that. I will buy anything and everything, whether it's $100 shirt or a $2 shirt, or you know, $200 jeans, or you know, Lululemons, or whatever, or you know, Victoria's Secret pink, or you know, something like, you know, from Forever 21. Like I'm not like that with clothes. Like if I see something I like, I'm gonna buy it. I don't care what it is, because for me, I love mixing and matching like your designer stuff with like low-end stuff. I think that's called balance. You know, I've never been one that would dress head to toe in designer. That's just not me. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that if you can, and you know, sometimes that happens, but there's nothing wrong with wearing like a $10 tee with, you know, really nice jeans and like a designer bag, and you can still look just as put together. You know, that's my whole philosophy on fashion and style and everything. It's just it's all about balance and finding out what you like and what works for you. You don't have to spend a lot of money to look good. Like a lot of times I just needed my coffee. It's so good. I've tried it with the mocha swirl. Okay, I'm going off on a tangent here. I've tried it with the mocha swirl and the caramel swirl. I think I like the caramel swirl better. Basically all it is like syrup. You don't have to get it with the swirl. It's just like a little added bonus. But I think I like the caramel better, because the mocha can be a little overpowering, which, you know, like I like mocha, but like the caramel is just a little lighter. So, you know, I got the mocha today, but maybe they just put too much, but the caramel is very good. So what I was saying, like at Nordstrom, I love shopping at Nordstrom. The BP department, which I know is like for juniors, but they have some cute stuff, like really like inexpensive, really nice stuff, like basics. I'm all about basics too. Like sometimes, you know, when you're on a day-to-day basis, or you're just running errands on the weekend or whatever, and you want to, you know, be comfortable, and like me, I like live in basics. They have some of the cutest stuff. I'm debating about doing this. I don't know if I'm comfortable doing it or not. But I have like a bunch of like fashion stuff to film, and I've never really filmed a full-on fashion haul. So you guys will have to let me know if you want to see like a fashion haul. I don't know. I know no one really likes when you just like show stuff. You have to like try it on, but it's kind of hard because it's just me filming. I guess I could try to take pictures and like insert the picture, but you guys have to let me know, like, would you want to see a fashion haul? I mean, it's kind of like a variety of different things. I can do that. I was thinking about that because I have this bag of stuff that's just sitting in my room. All right, let me know, guys. I am almost to Ulta, hopefully. And I will let you know if I pick up anything good. Guys, I have a quick Chanel unboxing for you. It literally just came. There's the FedEx package that I just tore into. And I did open it because I ordered this from my Acai over the phone, and it actually shipped to me from Hawaii, the Hawaii Chanel boutique. That's where they found this little guy. So, without further ado, I'm going to show it to you. Like I said, I normally do like unboxing videos, but it's exciting for me, but it's not enough to warrant like a full-on video for it. So I'll just include it in this vlog. So here is the ribbon. It came wrapped along with the flower. So that is that. This is just my receipt. Actually, I already have one emailed to me, but they printed one and sent it in this beautiful envelope. This is just like the little care book that comes with your goods. And here we go. So a little box, and then we have this little pouch right here. We open it, and ta-da! Here is my, it is a boy zip wallet. The sizing, this is about 6 inches long. This is what I was looking for. I was looking for a smaller wallet. You guys will know I have a couple other wallets. One is really long, like a full size. And then I have that small little one that was in my What's in My Bag video that's too small. And then I kind of wanted, felt like Goldilocks, like Chanel locks. I needed to find a wallet that was just right, that will fit comfortably in my bags, because now that I carry smaller bags, you know, I don't really want a huge wallet. So I had been on the hunt for something this size. I would have preferred like a flap wallet, but that's like virtually not available anywhere in the United States. Like, I drove my Acai crazy trying to find me this wallet. I would give her different numbers to look up, and nothing was available. So I finally settled on the zip wallet because I'm picky and I want black with ruthenium because that is my favorite. So it looks like this. It is just a really cute, you know, zip wallet. And then when you unzip it, it's got a really nice zipper. It's nicer than the one on the zip coin. And then you open it. As you can tell, I literally just got it today. There is 2 card slots here, and then 2 card slots there. And then you have, you know, a space here, and then the zip pouch in the middle for, well, I don't put coins in it, but I would just put like extra stuff. So this is what I was looking for. I really, you know, wanted to downsize my wallet because I'm using my Louis Vuitton one now, but it's kind of bulky. So I wanted something like thinner that could fit, like, especially in the boy bag. So this is really thin, and it's perfect. I think it's so cute. It is calf skin. It's the grain calf skin, and again, black with ruthenium. I still have the little sticker on it, but there is my beautiful ruthenium. So this is my little Chanel unboxing, little purchase treat for myself, and that is it. I will be back. I will probably switch into this probably tomorrow. I just want to leave it, you know, pristine for a little while, but that is my little unboxing, and hope you enjoyed. Do you want a blueberry? Spiky, would you like a blueberry? Where'd you go? Would you like a blueberry? You want to show everyone how you eat your blueberries? They can't see you. Okay, another one? What a good boy. Want to sit for me? Enjoy the blueberry. Hang on. Show everyone how you eat your blueberries. One more. What a good boy eating his blueberries. What a good boy. Yeah. Who's a good boy? Spikey's a good boy. Your Spikey's a good boy. Do you know you're a good boy? Do you know how beautiful you are? Look at you. Okay, I'm going to show you how I make my superfruit smoothie that you guys have been asking me for a while. So I laid everything out. This is the organic acai packets. These are the ones from Trader Joe's. Any kind will do as long as it's unsweetened. And then you're going to need frozen pineapple chunks and then frozen strawberries, preferably ones that are sliced because they're a little bit easier to blend. Then coconut water, make sure it says it's not from concentrate. And then I use just a little cheapy, hand blender like this. If you have, and you can use anything really, a Vitamix, a Ninja, or whatever. I prefer not to bust out the big Ninja for something like this since it's small. It's not as powerful, but it does the job. So I'm going to put everything in there and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've put in my acai packet. I broke it up. It actually was very messy because I ran it under hot water and it kind of got too melty. You could see it. To clean that up. There's Spike. So I broke that up. I put in some pineapple and some strawberries. I mean, I don't measure things. I just kind of gauge it. I'm not going to put that much, but I just like to have a decent balance between the two fruits. And then I add my coconut water. Again, I don't measure this. I literally, you're going to see, I just pour it. And I will do maybe like that. About maybe a little bit more than half. And then I'll start to blend it, and if you feel like I need more, I will. I don't really like my smoothies too runny. I really like them to be a little bit thicker, so you really feel like you're getting something from it. So I will start with that. Like I said, I don't measure it. It's just personal preference. I mean, there's nothing really. There's 8 fluid ounces in here, but I know I don't use a full 8 ounces in here. So we will blend this up, and I will save you the pain of listening to that, and I will show you, what it looks like when it's done. This is what it looks like after it's all blended. It resembles like a thicker consistency. It blended pretty quickly this time, I think because the acai was pretty much, kind of melting. So then I'm just going to pour this in my glass, and I'll show you the final product. Believe me, I don't do like Instagram worthy plating for smoothies or whatever, so it just is what it is, but I will just put that in there. Okay, here is the final product, all plated, quote unquote, in my cup with the straw. You can see it doesn't fill like a whole glass, which is fine. I mean, it's still very filling and tasty, and I just think the coloring is so pretty. It turns into like this beautiful berry color from the acai, and it tastes really good. If you don't like, it's very plain. I don't put anything in this. I just like to keep it light and refreshing and really just kind of like the fruits. So that is this. Those are that's where I was feeding Spike the blueberries from. So that is that. And if you're wondering how I clean this, I just put some dish soap in it and covered it and shook it up, and it cleans it really well. And I will just hand wash it. I don't need to put it in the dishwasher or anything. So that just gets it like out of any of those nooks and crannies, in case you were wondering. So I will do that and then clean up and enjoy my smoothie.